Good evening. I'm Ms. Tasneem, Math teacher. Let's begin our new lesson, equivalent fractions. What is the meaning by equivalent fractions? Fractions that have the same amount are called equivalent fractions. Fractions that have the same amount are called equivalent fractions. How to find an equivalent fractions? For example, 4 over 8. How to find equivalent fractions to 4 over 8? You can find equivalent fractions by multiplying both numerator and denominator by any number except 0. We can find equivalent fractions by multiplying numerator and denominator by any number except 0. For example, we multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. So 4 over 8 is equivalent fraction to 8 over 16. 4 over 8 is equivalent fractions to 8 over 16. They have the same amount. To find another equivalent fractions, let's multiply numerator and denominator by 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. 8 times 3 equals 24. To find another equivalent fraction, let's multiply numerator and denominator by 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. 8 times 5 equals 40. So 4 over 8 is equivalent fraction to 8 over 16 and 12 over 24 and 24 and 20 over 40. These fractions have the same amount. We can also find equivalent fractions by another way. If the numerator and denominator have a common factor, 4 and 8, they have a common factor, yes. 4 will 8, their common factor is 2. Let's divide the numerator and denominator by 2. 4 divided 2 equals 2. 8 divided 2 equals 4. So 2 over 4 is an equivalent fraction to 4 over 8. To find another equivalent fraction, we can divide 4 and 8 by 4. 4 by 4 equals 1. 8 by 4, 8 divided 4 equals 2. يبقى to find an equivalent fraction, we can multiply numerator and denominator by any number except 0. If they have a common factor, we can divide numerator and denominator by this factor. So these fractions are all equivalent fractions.